Hey everyone, and welcome back to Investing Guide. There continues to be exciting things happening in the crypto space. The market's been hit hard with this bearish trend, and we still continue to see new expectations, predictions, and various rumors about what lies ahead for crypto. One coin that experts, analysts, and popular crypto figures continue to talk about is the up and rising Cardano. One well-known person that has predicted that Cardano is bound to reach new highs. And this person is none other than Raoul. He believes in massive gains that the coin will eventually have, because Cardano is one of the few cryptos that has frequently had network updates with new features and diverse range of projects. As of today, Cardano stands as the 6th largest crypto coin worldwide by market cap. While others continue to hover around the $1 mark, it still has a market cap of over $36 billion, with over 33 billion ADA tokens in circulation. It's not exactly shocking that Cardano has been on a bearish trend the past few months, but it's also not the only one that's fallen prey to this market crash. Even crypto giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum have been on the downfall, with Bitcoin just below $37,000 and Ethereum below $2,500. When we see the price of Bitcoin fall, we expect others to go down as well. This might seem sad and not particularly the best year opener many were hoping for, but investors are sure to ask themselves whether or not this is one of the best times to invest more. The crypto space typically experiences huge gains soon after major drops, so what might we expect after this bear cycle? Well, today we're going to be talking about what Raoul has to say about Cardano. Stick around until the end because you might learn what he's predicted for Cardano's future and why he predicts Cardano will boom to $150 in the future. It's something that you definitely don't want to miss out on. Stick around until the end so you don't miss out on what he says and what he predicts for Cardano's future. Before we get started, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to make sure that you stay up to date on the world of investing. Most of you are going to know that Raoul is one of the most successful entrepreneurs in the world, and he was a former hedge fund manager and is known to have a great business strategy. Powell was one of the first investors who predicted that COVID-19 would have a significant impact on the global economy. He's also the founder of Real Vision and global macro investor. With the successes he's had, it's no doubt that he does know where to invest his money for good returns. That makes it really significant that he's added ADA to his portfolio and that he publicly acknowledges Cardano has great potential. One of the main things that Raoul has said about crypto is that the current dip is temporary and won't last too long. He wants to support and help prevent people from becoming too scared and irrationally abandoning their investments. Powell believes it's important to understand that Cardano has invested a vast amount of knowledge and time into their network's research and development. Even if the ADA price can be quite low at times, like this moment, it does not negate the great potential that the coin has in the future. It's also quite possible that the prices of Cardano and the wider crypto market will soon rise and increase. Crypto history has shown us that it is possible that well-known people and personalities may have a strong influence on cryptocurrency and their trajectories. So the fact that Raoul and other influential figures are talking about Cardano in a positive light is a good thing. It's also possible that we'll see and experience Cardano grow and develop over 100 times, simply because of the momentum it's been building. Despite the market dips, Cardano continues to develop its entire network and work on projects across industries, making their entire portfolio more holistic and robust. Today's video is sponsored by YouHolder. Are you tired of receiving nearly zero interest rates at regular banks? Then welcome to YouHolder, a platform where you can earn up to 12% annual yield on your crypto with compound interest and weekly payouts. Link down below. The Cardano network is also known for conducting extensive research, following a more academic and scientific approach to ensure success for the long run. Charles Hoskinson, Cardano founder and Ethereum co-founder, believes that bear runs and market dips won't really affect the network's overall success trajectory, and remains confident in the ADA token. This all goes back to the fact that research is one of the most important factors that measures the success of cryptocurrency, and it is in no doubt that Cardano is an industry-leading network in this regard. Although the market has been on a downward trend, we can still expect a spike in prices in the coming months and years to come. It doesn't come as a shock that the values and prices of the coins sometimes drop significantly overnight, over a few days or weeks, but experts and analysts continue to predict massive growth for the crypto industry in the decades to come. it's more than clear to us that Cardano is still in its early stages and is definitely here to stay. Before we continue, if you like what you've seen, don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe to the channel and keep up to date on the world of investing by turning on that notification bell. Hoskinson has also recently talked about Cardano having over 100 projects in its pipeline, with more than a dozen expected to launch within the first quarter of 2022. This is exciting news for all you Cardano holders and potential investors, as it's obvious that the network is continually expanding itself despite downward trends in the market. The Cardano network also has high hopes to be part of the solution in the decentralized sector, with Hoskinson actually highlighting major pitfalls of the DeFi space and even establishing a set of specific standards for DeFi. Hoskinson's confident that Cardano will be able to address these identified flaws and eliminate other low-quality applications. Cardano's longevity in the marketplace is more than promising thanks to all the numerous updates and protocols that the network continues to develop. Cardano's ADA price is expected to continue increasing throughout the year and years to come for many reasons, which is something that we should all be on the lookout for. You might think that the low prices look bad at the moment, but then again, it might be the best time to invest more before prices boom. Everyone needs to ask themselves whether or not Cardano is on a good and steady track to claim back its top spot as the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Cardano may have slipped in the top 10, but it still continues to receive a huge amount of public attention from investors, influential figures, and media outlets as one of the cryptos with massive potential. Price predictions for Cardano are looking good for the future, going as high as $5 or $15 within the decade. But is it possible that the coin's going to hit $150 sooner than we think? It wasn't long before we saw Ethereum grow from a mere $1, and look at its prices now, hitting over $2,000, even $4,000. For those of you who don't know, Cardano has been working on a really exciting project recently. Developers from the Cardano blockchain have tied up with developers from Haskell, which they've called the group Go Labs. Go Labs is launching Go Meta Launch, which is the first of its kind on the entire Cardano network. The project is dedicated to launching a Cardano metaverse project and a pay-to-earn NFT project on the blockchain. The project will act as the main gateway to the metaverse on the Cardano blockchain and has high hopes to allow users to have pioneer access to the up-and-coming metaverse and NFT play. Go Labs has made multiple partnerships with blockchain industry experts, ensuring that all projects launched on Go Meta Launch will have full support needed for long-term success. This is a huge deal for Cardano, and the metaverse is still very new, so being an early game player will give room for lots of growth and development for the network. This will definitely diversify Cardano's overall portfolio, making it an attractive blockchain and cryptocurrency. Cardano is now entering the basho stage and continues to invest more energy into scalability and optimization. It's not surprising that we can all expect a lot of great things to come from the crypto asset in the months and years to come, and we might even see a $20 price tag or even $150. Do you think it's possible for Cardano to hit that $150 mark? And if so, do you think we might see it? That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it, and while you're still here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen. See you there.